English Quizmaster.
It's quiz time. Let's put your knowledge to the test. What nationality is she or he? Let's begin. Question number 1. What nationality is she? A. Japanese. B. German. C. Argentinian. Question number 2. What nationality is he? A. Turkish. B. Egyptian. C. Romanian. Question number 3. What nationality is he? A. Filipino. B. French. C. Swiss. Question number 4. What nationality is she? A. Colombian. B. Puerto Rican. C. Brazilian. Question number 5. What nationality is she? A. Chinese. B. Mongolian. C. Vietnamese. Question number 6. What nationality is he? A. British. B. Canadian. C. American. Question number 7. What nationality is she? A. Australian. B. Indonesian. C. Canadian. Question number 8. What nationality is she? A. Indian. B. Egyptian. C. Armenian. Question number 9. What nationality is she? A. Japanese. B. Chinese. C. Thai. Question number 10. What nationality is he? A. Indonesian. B. Cambodian. C. Indian. Question number 11. What nationality is she? A. Malaysian, B. Filipino, or C. Singaporean? Question number 12. What nationality is she? A. Thai, B. Laotian, C. Burmese, Question number 13. What nationality is he? A. American, B. Australian, C. British. Question number 14. What nationality is he? A. Korean, B. Japanese, C. Chinese. Question number 15. What nationality is he? A. Colombian, B. Italian, C. Mexican. Question number 16. What nationality is she? A. Japanese, B. Indonesian, C. Burmese. Question number 17. What nationality is he? A. French, B. American, C. Canadian. Question number 18. What nationality is he? A. Filipino, B. Thai, C. Vietnamese. Question number 19. What nationality is he? A. Colombian, B. Korean, C. African. Question number 20. What nationality is she? A. Swedish, B. Indian, or C. Cambodian. Question number 21. What nationality is he? A. Russian, B. Swedish, C. Australian, Question number 22. What nationality is he? A. Italian. B. German. C. Swedish. Question number 23. What nationality is she? A. Canadian. B. South African. C. Brazilian. Question number 24. What nationality is he? A. Cambodian. B. Burmese. C. Filipino. Checking time. Let's check your work. Question number 1. The correct answer is German. Question number 2. The correct answer is Turkish. Question number 3. The correct answer is French. Question number 4. The correct answer is Brazilian. Question number 5. The correct answer is Chinese. Question number 6. The correct answer is American. Question number 7. The correct answer is Canadian. Question number 8. The correct answer is Egyptian. Question number 9. The correct answer is Japanese. Question number 10. The correct answer is Indian. Question number 11. The correct answer is Filipino. Question number 12. The correct answer is Thai. Question number 13. The correct answer is Australian. Question number 14. The correct answer is Korean. Question number 15. The correct answer is Mexican. Question number 16. The correct answer is Indonesian. Question number 17. The correct answer is French. Question number 18. The correct answer is Vietnamese. Question number 19. The correct answer is Colombian. Question number 20. The correct answer is Indian. Question number 21. The correct answer is Russian. Question number 22. The correct answer is Swedish. Question number 23. The correct answer is South African. And the last one, question number 24. The correct answer is Cambodian. Good job, kids!